Listen, I know you're working out very well, I know you're eating very well, but that does not mean that you will lose weight every week. मनीषा मैं तुम्हें मुक्का मार दूंगी. Well, I'm sorry, but this is the truth. Welcome to the 75-day marathon till my 34th birthday, where I share tips, tricks, and hacks that work for me and my clients for their busy life and health management. Your entire brain is not stupid enough to be influenced by the social media and the rat race of getting thin. Your brain has other jobs to do as well. For example, taking care of your bones, taking care of your skin, taking care of your gut, taking care of your liver, taking care of all the other organs. And when you eat clean, when you work out, when you sleep well, the benefit of all of these actions do not necessarily show as the number on the scale, because your brain has to constantly think about the benefit of the entire system. So whatever benefits you're getting out of all of these actions will be distributed throughout all of your organs and all of your body parts. For example, are you able to lift heavier weights? Are you able to sit for long hours for work without losing focus? Are you able to sit long hours for work without having back pain? Are you feeling more energetic? Is your skin feeling better? Do you not think that these are also sign of progress? But नहीं, क्योंकि वो सो कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट को पैसे दे दिए हैं उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन पूछे बिना, और उसने बोला कि हर रोज वेट लूज करना पड़ेगा तो वेट लूज करना पड़ेगा. What crap?